This is a test of the Paradise Early Warning Sirens.
I think an alert and warning system is one of the first line events to helping ensure a community is able to get out of harm's way. And so obviously we're excited to see the Paradise community adopt this system and continue to support them as they recover in all facets in the long-term recovery.
The town of Paradise here in Northern California is now on the cutting edge of hazard mitigation. Cal OES coordinated federal, state, and local resources to implement these towers known as early warning sirens.
One of the major things that we knew we needed to do as a community is make sure our residents feel safe. And so one of those things, of course, is installing the early warning sirens, which was a top priority of our community right after the fire in our long-term recovery plan.
These sirens will also include vocal evacuation information and will be used in addition to other existing evacuation notifications. This community is now better prepared for emergencies after the 2018 Camp Fire took 85 lives and nearly destroyed their entire town.
The 2018 Camp Fire was an unusual phenomenon. All of the factors that could be at play were at play. It was a perfect storm. There was no firefighting to be done. It was simply save lives, evacuate.
In the days and weeks after the fire, when we kind of were looking at each other saying, what do we do? Cal OES was there to come in and say, this is what you can do. And that was the wonderful thing. Cal OES really worked with us as a partner, never as a, this is what you need to do, but how can we help you?
Now, as we're on the tail end of recovery, the community holds numerous events like this one to prepare residents for emergencies.
Now we've got a community event where people can come, find resources, be a part of wildfire readiness education, being ready for future evacuations. We've got go bags to give out, we've got mental health services. The day's obviously been heavy for all of us, but being prepared takes all of us.
In addition to preparing residents for emergencies, town leadership is also getting training. A simulated wildland exercise where all community agencies are practicing how the city will respond during a full-scale evacuation.
We, all the people involved with the town, elected officials and staff members, our mission is to serve this community, these people, and make sure that they're safe. And so that's why we live here, and that's what the town is trying to be, one of the team players.
Cal OES is proud to aid communities with emergency preparedness technologies to ensure every Californian can respond safely to an emergency. To see more from us, visit news.caloes.ca.gov and follow us on all our social media platforms.